Simple packaging for popcorn. This is Vital Rich Concept. In this video, I'm going to show you how I came about this. Get our stamping kit that will help you to do your basic branding for all your packaging. It doesn't matter what you want to package. So you can see how sharp our branding is. Get our 3 by 24 inches nylon roll. Get our 4 by 24 inches nylon roll. Get our 10 by 12 inches nylon pack. Then get our gun sealer. Get our impulse sealer. Get our industrial nylon. Get our mini sealers, both the lined surface sealer and the smooth surface sealer. Get our branding course. To get all these things, just get our WhatsApp number from our bio to chat us up. You place your order through WhatsApp chat. Okay, so today we're going to be using this 4 by 24 inches nylon. Inside one pack is 360 pieces, good for all manner of packaging. The width is 4 inches, while the length is 24 inches, and it can only be used with impulse sealer. You don't use it with mini sealer. You see, as I try using it with mini sealer now, the mini sealer burnt it up. So please don't ever use it with mini sealer. They don't go together. You only use it with impulse sealer. The width is 4 inches, while the length is 24 inches. It's good for all manner of packaging. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, share and like. Now the first thing we're going to do is to measure the width of our stamp, because we want to brand first before we now add the product. Now since the height of one of my sachet is 5 inches, I'm going to do the first branding on 2.5 inches. You know, the first one I'll divide it into two. Divide it into the height of the product, which is 5 inches. Then subsequent ones, I'm now going to subtract that 1 inch, which is the length of the product. Okay, then I remove the stamp, the width of the stamp there, making it 4 inches. I cut it from paper. Now this thing will guide me to know the next place I'm going to brand, so that all my branding will be evenly distributed. I hope you get what I'm saying. So the very first one, you brand, you make it half of the height of your item. The next one, the subsequent one, you remove the length of the stamp, and then remove it from the height of your item, and then cut it out in a paper, and then be using it as a guide to know the next place you're going to brand. By the time you watch this video again and again, you understand it, in case if you did not understand it the first time. So you can see how sharp and clear our branding is. This branding stays permanently on the nylon. I will try to clean it now with a cotton wool. Even I dipped the cotton wool inside water to see if water can clean it. Water cannot clean it. It stays there permanent on the nylon. The only thing that can clean this thing is a chemical that dissolves ink. Nothing else can clean it. So you can see how sharp and clear our branding is, and is permanently on the nylon. Place your order today for our stamp branding. Stamping kit. Place your order for our stamping kit to help you do branding for your product. You don't need to be wasting a lot of money. These our stamping kits can brand up to between 5 to 10 kg nylon for you, depending on how you use it. But it can brand between 5 to 10 kg nylon for you, depending on how you use it. So is that not economical for you? And the stamp is for life. The stamp is for life. The stamp pad is for life. So that one I showed you was the one we packaged before. So the stamp is for life. The stamp pad is for life. The only thing you need to be replacing is the ink. Okay, so it's very, very economical. So you can see. So, and this thing in 1 minute, 2 minutes, you're done branding one nylon. Now the moment you're done branding, you secure your stamp pad by putting it inside the nylon that you will cover. Please never leave your stamp pad open. Even your ink, never leave it open. Okay, now after branding and allowing it to dry, you give it like 15 minutes to dry. The next thing, you start adding your item. And I always say use a standard measurement for all your sachets, so that all the sachets will be equal. You don't just add anything you like, any quantity you like, then use the impulse sealer to seal. Okay, and the provision you're going to leave for the sealing allowance should be like 1/2 inch. Then the heat of the impulse sealer should be around 2 to 2.5 seconds. Don't let it be high. If it's high, it will cut the nylon. It will seal and cut the nylon. But if it's around 2 seconds, 2.5 seconds, then the sealing will still be okay and it won't cut, because you want this thing to be in roll. Except you don't want it in roll, then you can allow it to cut. Then you put the temperature of the impulse sealer to be very high. So you that is looking for what to do, this is a good way for you to start. If you're packaging popcorn or any snacks, this is a good way for you to start. And there is no supermarket that is going to reject this. Okay, so even if you want it in singles, after sealing it in roll, then you can use your pair of scissors to cut them in one by one. I know you learned something today. So place your order for all our things. You place your order by getting our WhatsApp number from our bio. The way you place your order is through WhatsApp chat. We deliver globally. Thank you for watching this video. Watch out for my next video. Vital Rich Concept Limited is always here to make sure that your packaging business is moving forward. Thanks for watching and God bless you. In the comment section, tell us where you're watching from so that we can give you a big shout out in our next video. Thank you.